guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. Uh, um, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section and you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. This actually started an uptrend right from here. Okay, so you can see it playing around there. Got to this resistance zone, came back down and went back up again, and of course, finally it broke out from the structure. Right from there to give us more uptrend movement. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. If it should break out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. So we are still on uptrend with this particular asset, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from the resistance is when it will not buy. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 actually started a downtrend right from here, and it went straight down till it got to this particular support zone. So it had another it switched into an uptrend and bought till it got to this region, but right now it's trying to go back up. And if it breaks out below this support zone, I mean it's going back on downtrend, and if it's able to break out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, or should I say it is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is very, very important. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. For Paynex 1200, it has been on downtrend right from here, and you can see it sold till it got to this support zone, tried to go back on uptrend but didn't go too far before turning back to break out below that support zone. And you should know that once there is a breakout, it will move in that direction for a while. So you can see that is exactly what happened. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. If it should break this particular support zone again, then it's going to sell more. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So let's check out Paynex 999 together. This is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 actually started a downtrend right from here. And of course, we can see it selling and selling, even though the movement was somehow having pullbacks and a kind of ranging period. Okay, but it's still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Got to this support zone and it's trying to see if it can go back on uptrend. But if it goes back to break out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will go fully into an uptrend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time in case it breaks out below the support zone. But if it does not, then it's going to buy for a very long time. Then the last asset we are having right here is called FX volume 80. Okay, so this is FX volume 80. This actually went on uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this resistance zone. So it switched into a downtrend and it has been selling since then. Okay, it has been selling since then. But right here, it's trying to give us a kind of uptrend signal. Okay, but if it should go above this, then it's most likely for it to buy more. Okay, but if it does not, then it will go back on downtrend and continue with the trend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. This buy might be a pullback, okay, before it will continue with the downtrend. However, if it breaks out above this, then it's going to be a major buy. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. And of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me within the comment section. Okay. And of course, if you are trading tonight, make sure you study the chart very well and confirm the the analysis, most especially if you are not joining me live and direct, confirm if things have not gone too far before you jump into it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so and of course, guys, if you are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.